Our technology uses magnets to separate cells based on their density, and we can image those cells in our magnetic field and use their distribution to determine whether or not a patient has certain diseases.
Basically, we devised a device for our patients. It offers obstetricians a non-invasive procedure to prevent premature birth.
Our product is a first-in-class biologic therapy for non-responding rheumatoid arthritis patients with the industry's first companion diagnostic test.
We are creating glowing shrimp for home aquariums, education, and pollutant reporting.
Our product is an integrated software solution to simplify and optimize ecological restoration of native plant communities for organizations involved in ecological conservation.
And we are offering a user-friendly device to measure contaminants in aquatic environments.
I think the real learning came from stepping outside of my comfort zone, doing something that I never would have wanted to do as an engineer, learning how to really listen to the people who are going to be buying my product and the problems that they have and how I can solve them as an engineer.
As a basic scientist, I'm used to making discoveries in the laboratory, and use in the clinic is always something I'm thinking about, but I don't have all of the pieces in line to understand. This program was really invaluable in helping me to understand how I'll be able to take my discovery and really get it towards patient care.
I think the most important thing I've learned from this process is the business aspects of any product. It really taught me about business issues that I would just never have considered before.
I really didn't think that I would gain as much knowledge about the market, about how to put revenue streams together, about how to go out and get customers as I actually did. And now I actually feel like I'm ready to move to the next level, come up with a prototype and go from there.
I've learned about how to evaluate a market and how to establish what customers are appropriate for whatever product I have and how I can change my product to match what customers actually want.
You can't please everyone. So as you come into the program, you might have all these great assumptions, and that's awesome because you're excited about your product, everything you want to go well, but you have to test and validate those hypotheses in the market first.
In our case, we're interested in a medical application, and this program really took me out of the laboratory and helped me to really understand what we needed to develop at an early enough stage so that if we need to twist it one way or tweak it in one direction, we can still do that.
Participating in this program has taught me how to be a better engineer. Listening to what the market needs and going back to the lab and making that happen has been a really enlightening experience for me.
The mentors, they're very rigorous, but they support your success thoroughly and they want to see you succeed.
This gives you a different way of thinking about how to create your business. Take that scientific method and continue to apply it as they develop and grow their business.
Don't think about it, do it. If you come to the program and you realize you don't have a viable market venture, you can apply these concepts to the next great idea you have.
This program will allow you to better understand what goes into a business, what goes into distributing a product in a business, and also how to market a minimum viable product. It is a wonderful opportunity to learn how to test these assumptions about businesses in a scientific manner that you're accustomed to.
If someone were to ask me, should I participate in the Accelerate UConn program, I would say absolutely, make it a priority, make the time to do it, and do it as soon as possible.